It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I am getting things ready to do some videos on how to make really delicious cocktails using essential oils. Join me on the journey. It's going to be fun. Cheers. I'm making cocktails and I'm using essential oils to liven them up and as ingredients. When you use essential oils to flavor your cocktails, it is 100% natural, 0 calories, 0 sugar, and it even can have some health benefits. Who's in? Hi, it's Sandra with Chronically Driven, and today I am showing you how to make delicious tasting cocktails using essential oils. And today is one of my absolute favorites, and we are using ginger essential oil, which is delicious tasting and actually has a lot of really good health benefits, especially for our digestive system. So look that up. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put some ice cubes into a cocktail glass. Then I am going to add some vodka into a shot glass. And then I am going to add 1 or 2 drops of ginger. I'm just making a small one for this demo, so I'm just going to add 1 drop. It's okay if 2 goes in. 1. Now, as always, my tip with using essential oils when making cocktails is to mix up and stir the essential oil in the alcohol in the shot glass before adding it to the cocktail. Same as anything, it helps to emulsify it and so that you will have a better mixing experience. Okay, so ginger vodka, I can smell it, it's very aromatic, and ginger ale. I'm using diet ginger ale. You do what works for you. My handy stir stick. There you have a ginger ale and vodka. Cheers. Cheers to your health.